Now, in all this time, in 60 videos, I don't think you've ever heard me use the word amazing. But the Ulster Museum is truly an amazing place. And here's why. The Ulster Museum is located within the beautiful Belfast Botanic Gardens to start with. And it's super easy to get to, either by public transport or by walking from the city center. It also sits right next to Queen's University and Malone Road hotels and restaurants. But what is it that makes the Ulster Museum amazing? Well, it has everything under one roof. Art galleries, history, natural science. And if you're a parent trying to explain the world to your kid, I'd say this would be the one place to go. Not too big, not too small, not too specialized, and certainly not banal. It's just about the right size that you can actually enjoy it without being overwhelmed. Here on 3 levels, you'll find all sorts of interesting stuff. A bit of technology, and how we got to have that technology in the first place. A bit of history, a bit of fashion, and even diamonds. But my favorite is the animals. It's just stunning how real these animals look. Some of these things are pretty scary, but that's nothing compared to prehistoric animals. Back in the day, nobody would tell men they're toxic, because the big old T-Rex was considered even more toxic. Here you get evolution explained, and the concept of selective breeding, and how we got to have such a magnificent animal as the Irish wolfhound. This thing is huge, with its head the volume of the size 12 shoebox. Naturally, there are some small animals as well, and a fine selection of sea life. There's also a really nice applied art section, covering glass, silver, and other materials. It's full of beautiful objects that have been designed for functional use. You can observe how fashion evolved, especially headwear. Speaking of functional, archaeology collections provide evidence of people and events in Ireland from the very beginning all the way to the modern era. My favorite, the display of the famous Spanish Armada of 1588 that sank off the North Irish coast with its uncountable treasures made of gold and silver.